Hello everyone. Today we are recreating the headsets flyer. So let's go to import. Now search for the headsets. Don't forget to remove the background of the headset. Okay, so now we've gotten it back. Just adjust the size. That's good. So now let's lock it. Alright, so let's go back to our gallery. We are going to import the flyer so it will help us to recreate it well. Okay? Alright, so and this is it. We're just going to make it so small, reduce the size, and just keep it in one corner, alright? Okay, so let's lock that also. Alright, now let's begin. Okay, so let's import the dots. Yeah, yes, this is it. So just try to resize it. It gives you the same size that is on the flyer. Okay, that's 3 dotted lines. Alright, so just adjust the size. That's good. Now duplicate it. Then take the other one to the other side. Just like it is on the flyer. Okay, so now check if the dotted lines are on the same line with that on the flyer. The last one isn't well, so we're gonna adjust it. Let's move it up a little bit, move it sideways. Okay, that is better. Alright, so this is just like a sketch. My flyer doesn't have to be perfect, but yours has to be. Okay, I mean, it's not easy recreating your own flyer. Alright, so now let's continue. Okay, so we're gonna go to shapes. We want to start with our Black Friday. Sorry, shapes. Okay, so sorry, the tag rather. So that tag that you see 30% off now, this is it. It's just something that that has to do with shape. So adjust the angle of the tag. Okay, that's better. Now let's reduce the size. Just reduce it so it matches the one on the flyer. Okay. Let's okay. Alright, that's better. Okay, now that we are done with that, we are just going to adjust it a little bit. Okay, that's good. So let's go to text. Alright, text, and we are going to type in 30% off. Okay. Alright, so now we will be changing the color to black. Okay. Sorry, let's change the color of the tag to yellow. Okay, so we're just going to use our color picker to pick it from the flyer, right? That's the color. Okay. 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 So now 30% off. Let's change the color to black. Use two fonts for this flyer. I'll send you guys the fonts, okay? So let's continue. Copy. I'm copying it because 30% is not gonna fit into the tag. So let's adjust it as 30%. I'm just going to adjust it a little. Okay, that's better. Okay, so now let's work with off now. I'm just going to copy it and paste because I copied it earlier. So I am going to move it, adjust the size, then the position. Okay, I'm just going to move it upward a little to fit into the tag. This is 30% off. Okay. Alright, so now let's start with www.getgoods.com. We're going to write our website. So when you guys are doing this, I want you to write any website. You can just write your name as the website. Okay, now we are going to go back to AB font. Okay, so I'll be sending you guys the font you're going to use. So just select the font. Now let's adjust the size. Okay, you want it to be the same thing on our flyer. Just reduce the size. I'm trying to position it very well. Okay, all right, so sorry. Alright, so now let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, that's better. Okay, so let's copy it. We are going to write the number of the website, okay? But when you are doing yours, please write your own number, okay? Use your own details. That's your number. You can also write your name at any part of the flyer. Sorry if I know that it's yours. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so let's add the text now. We're working with Black Friday, so black, just make it capital letter, okay? So let's change the font. Something bold because it's also bold on the flyer. Okay, that's good. So now I'm just going to adjust it. Okay, let's keep this flyer somewhere else. Now, shapes. Change the color to yellow. Adjust it. We're going to use this for our Black Friday. This is for the Friday. So now, type in Friday in capital letters. Okay. Alright. Alright, so let's change the color to black. Okay. That's it. And we'll also change the font. I believe you already have this font. Okay, so let's make it a bold one. Alright. Okay, this is good. So now just fit it into the box and I think that's okay. Adjust it very well. Let's look exactly like what is on the flyer. Okay. Alright, so now we copy it. Now we change the color to white for the limited offer. So just reduce the size and position it under the Friday. Okay, so now, alright, that's good. Okay, so let's copy, then type in limited offer. Okay, limited offer. We're using the same font we use for www.getgoods.com. Alright, capital letters. Now change the color to, change the color to black. Okay, let's color black. Then we adjust it. Good. So next, sorry. Okay, let me lock everything. They are disturbing me. Okay, so next, let's work on our headsets. Now we are going to give it a shadow and effects, just like what is on the flyer. Okay, so just reduce the blur radius to 6. You don't really have to do this. I'm just showing you some ways to also add effects to the headsets, but we don't need this. Okay, so we'll leave it at, sorry, let this go back to 0. Okay, 0. All right, so that's it. Alright, so now let's work on the color. We want to change the color. So we go over to gradient. Gradient is a mixture of 2 or 3 colors, okay? So we go to the color picker and pick a color that matches it. Alright, you can see the orange, but this downside is much brighter. So let's adjust it, okay? So now back to color. Go over to gradient, plus sign, our color picker. So now we go back to the flyer, sorry. Pick a brighter color, a brighter shade of color, sorry. Yeah, the one close to WW that gets good. So that's it. Now you have to just adjust it so it looks like exactly what is on the flyer. So just try to adjust it, dragging those cycles. That's it. It's okay. Alright. So that's good. So next, working with shop now. So adjust the radius after. Okay, just adjust the radius. That's good. Now just try to reduce the size. Keep it. So let's type in shop now. Okay, shop now in capital letters. Right. So the color is black already. Then I have to just adjust it into the box. Now change the color to yellow. Okay. Alright, that's good. So now just okay, let's make the shop now bolder. Alright, yes. So now the purple color, so we click on stickers, click out, click stickers, click out, stickers, click out again. So that should be enough. Okay, so now we'll go back to layers. Just select all the stickers that we've clicked. Alright, so now we merge them together. Okay, merge. Okay, that's it. So after that, just try to adjust it. Okay, to make it match with the same pop background. Alright, so now just use the angle tool on it. Alright, that's good. Just try to adjust it. Just try to fit it in. Now we send it. Change the color to purple. Can always use our picker, color picker. So we pick color we want. That's color purple. Okay. Alright. So just keep on adjusting to it. So you know that it looks okay. Okay, this is good. So now we send it to the back. Okay. Yes. So now our flyers are already looking the same. That's good. Alright, so just adjust it to make it fit better. Alright, that looks good. So you can always lock everything. Then let's the color still doesn't quite match well, so let's try something else, okay? That same okay, okay, we'll go back to layers. Alright, now we copy it. We're copying it, let's reduce the size. Just we're not trying to form a perfect cycle, just try to reduce the size, okay? Alright, so now change the color to orange. So it could also match with what is there. Yeah, now if you look at it, it looks like the same thing that is also on the flyer. Alright, just I'm trying to take it to the back, okay? Just dragging it and taking it, sending it to the back. Alright, that's good. Okay, so just you can copy it again and adjust it, send it to the back, but you go to layers to do that, okay? Just adjust it. Yeah, this look good. And reduce the opacity if you want to. Now just drag it down. Okay, sorry, yes, we drag it down. Okay, that's good. It's actually already at the back of black and Friday, so it's better like that. It is better. And we lock it and just lock everything. That's all. Okay.